Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to download the latest version of Windows 11 from Microsoft. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. Go to your browser of choice and search for Download Windows 11. Navigate to Microsoft official website, then scroll down to Download Windows 11 Disk Image option and click on Select Download. Then from the drop menu, click on Windows 11. Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. Click on Download Now button, and a new option will appear. Select the product language after clicking on Choose One. I will choose English, United States. Then click on Confirm, and a new option will appear. Download, Windows 11. English, click on 64-bit download, and a window will open, allowing you to choose where to save the downloaded file. You can also edit the file name if desired. Click on Save, and the Windows 11 ISO file will start downloading. Remember that the download links are valid for 24 hours from the time of creation. Method 2. Go to your browser of choice and search for Download Windows 11. Navigate to the official Microsoft website. Scroll down to the Create Windows 11 Installation Media option and click on Download Now. A window will open, allowing you to choose where to save the downloaded file. Click on Save, and the Media Creation tool will start downloading. Open the Media Creation tool and click on Accept. Uncheck. Use the recommended options for this PC and choose the language you want, then click Next. Select the ISO file option, then click Next. A window will open, allowing you to choose where to save the downloaded file. You can also edit the file name if desired. Click on Save, and the Windows 11 ISO file will start downloading. Wait until the download finishes. Close the Media Creation tool by clicking on Finish. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.